Hello everyone, Sharif Abuzid here with a new video. Actually, I've been trying to make this video for almost like 7 or even 10 days now, but because of some personal issues, I couldn't make it. But finally, I could sit down today in my desk and try to record this video, which will be like the part 1 of a free training about how you can create a membership website using WordPress. Now, creating membership websites can seem like a very complicated process because it involves so many different parts, from creating your designing your website, creating levels, integrating payment gateways. So I will try to make this as easy as possible for you by dividing all of these pieces of creating this membership website into separate videos, and this will be part 1 of a 6-part video series. So this is how I'm going to do it with you to make it very easy for you. I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a membership website with WordPress by watching a 6-part video series. In part 1, I will show you, which will be this part, I will show you how you can set up like a starter template website, how you can just kickstart your membership website by installing a ready-made and a very well-designed starter template by Kadence theme, and how you can design your pages and landing pages using Kadence blocks. And then in part 2, I will show you how you can install a membership plugin. I'll be using Wishlist Member as my membership plugin for this free training. I will show you how you can create like 2 membership levels. One of them is free and one of them is paid, maybe, but usually I call these basic and gold. I will show you the main settings of creating a membership level, how you can protect certain parts of your website so no one else can see it unless they are members of your website. And now once you could protect certain parts of your website, now you need to sell your memberships. I'm going to show you how you can sell your memberships using PayPal, but you can still do the same if you are using Stripe, if you are using Thrivecart or Samcart, because Wishlist Member is integrated with so many membership payment gateways or even payment plugins. I'll show you this how you can do this using PayPal in part 3, and in part 4 I will show you how you can set up an online course as part of your membership website, and then even how you can protect this online course so no one else can access it unless they are part of your certain membership levels. Once you have everything ready, now it is very important that you engage with your audience, and you can do this by setting up an email marketing automation campaigns. I will show you how you can set up like follow-up emails or follow-up series of emails using the amazing email marketing automation plugin called Fluent CRM. I will show you even how you can even set up an automation funnel or to welcome the new members, how you can even engage with them to upsell them for a different membership level. Maybe they have just joined the basic membership level and you need to upsell them to your gold membership level. And then I will show you like quickly how you can even set up Fluent forms to sell your memberships. Finally, I will show you how you can create like a dashboard for your members only, and also a menu for the people who joins your memberships. This menu and this members dashboard will only available for the people who joins your membership website or be part of your members area. If you like to see like a checklist for the 7 parts of to launch a membership website, I will leave down below a link. Currently I don't have this content ready, but I have an idea about it. I will be building it during building this video series. Usually find it in this link, abuzidwb.com/members. Maybe I'll change the link, so make sure to check below for the link for this checklist. Also, I will leave down below the parts of the links for the different parts of this video series. As I mentioned, this video is part 1 of a 6-part or maybe a 7-part video series about how you can create a membership website using WordPress. So let's now start with part 1, which is setting up a starter website. So I have here with me this is a very clean WordPress installation. This is a very clean WordPress installation, nothing here installed. And even this is the pure theme or look of WordPress. This is how WordPress will look like if you are installing it in 2024. Now we need to make changes for this look and feel of our website, and we need to do this quickly. The first step to do this is to install a new theme. And to do this, we need to go to Appearance and then go to Themes. Now, there are so many themes that you can choose from. If you want to install one, you can just click Add New Theme, because these 3 themes are the default WordPress themes, and usually they come with minimal features. They are not able to be used for a fully featured membership website. Here you'll find more than 6,559 themes that you can choose from. Sometimes, and actually most of the time, it will be confusing to choose any theme of these. But usually I would choose one of 2 themes, either Astra or Kadence theme. You can't go wrong with any of these. But for the sake of this video training or free training, I'll be using the Kadence theme. So to install the theme, I'll just click Install, give it a few seconds to be installed, and then I will just click Activate to activate this theme. Now, as you can see here, I have this theme marked as my active theme. Actually, what I also do is that I'll just click to, I will delete the rest of the themes, because sometimes there will be some security breaches. I'll just delete them because I need only to have my active theme installed. Now I have my only theme installed. If we go to the home page and let's click refresh, you'll find this is now how our website looks like. Still, it's ugly, but this is our job to make it look beautiful. Now, once we do this, now we need to install a starter template. Now, the beauty of Kadence is that it comes with a plugin that you will be able, that comes with pre-designed templates that you can choose from. To install the plugin, you need to click here. You can just click Install AI Starter Templates, or you can actually go to Plugins and then click Add New. If this is your first time using WordPress and don't know what are plugins, plugins are let's consider these mini softwares that you install for the purpose of having a certain feature for your website. For example, because this is a training about memberships, about creating a membership website, we will need to install a plugin called Wishlist Member to have the membership functionality installed and activated for our website. Maybe you need to add social icons. You can just do this using a plugin. Maybe you need to have a social sharing functionality. You can do this using a plugin. There are so many plugins that you can choose from. But the plugin that we are looking for is called Kadence AI Starter Templates, because this is the plugin that will give us the ability to install complete templates. And let me show you. I think if we go to this, if we go to this link, we will find so many templates. Or you know what? Let's just install the plugin and see how it will, what it will give us. So let's go to search plugins and let's search for Kadence Starter, and Starter, yes, Starter. And let's give it a second to search for the plugin itself. And here you go. This is AI powered starter templates by Kadence WP. This is the plugin that we are looking for. It will give us options creating AI powered websites or classic websites. To install the plugin, we just click Install Now to install the plugin. And because we are inside the plugins area, we need to actually install another plugin. And this plugin also developed or was developed by the same team behind Kadence. It's called Gutenberg Blocks with AI by Kadence WP, or we call this Kadence Blocks. And this is the plugin that we will be using to design our pages. And this is called a page builder plugin. It will make it much easier for us to install or to design our pages without the need to know any type of coding skills like HTML, CSS, or PHP. So let's click Install Now. to have the plugin installed. All we need to do now is to click activate to activate these plugins. Let's first start by activating our Kadence blocks plugin, and then we need to activate the also Kadence AI starter templates. Now let's view the template library. If we click here, did you notice there is a new item here called Kadence, and we have home, starter template, settings, forms. These are for the Kadence blocks actually. And let's click starter templates to view all the templates that comes with Kadence AI plugin. Here you will be asked whether you want to have like activate Kadence AI starter templates or use these classic starter templates. Now there is a clear-cut difference between both of these. Now the AI starter templates are templates. They are less, but they are very powerful because they are based on that you give prompts or you give Kadence AI plugin an idea about the website that you want to launch. Let's say that you are a yoga coach, for example, and you want to have like your content, your images relevant only to your yoga business. So you just give like Kadence AI plugin a prompt and say that, okay, I work as a yoga coach and I work with males or females at the age of 40, for example, and I want to have this feel and look of my website this way. Kadence will create an AI designed template with the content, the images, the fonts, colors, everything using AI to give you something specific to your niche. Or you can just use a classic starter template, which I'm going to use. If we click here, you'll find so many beautiful designed free and premium templates designed by the Kadence WP team. You'll find here, you can even filter them for a nonprofit, for a course, for a business. Let's say that we choose a course website. So all of these are well-designed starter templates. You can just click and choose one of these to install it in just a few moments for your website. And some of them are free and some of them are pro as well. Let's choose the free one. These are free ones. They look beautiful. You can choose any of these, or you can just choose to install a premium one or a premium one, the pro one. The pro one comes with the cost. You will find them marked as pro, and I highly recommend that you buy the full bundle of Kadence WP. Now, you still can follow up with this free training using the free Kadence theme. You can install any of these free templates. Actually, it will work the same way that I'm going to show you, but I highly recommend that you buy the full bundle or the premium bundle of Kadence, because you will have access to all of these free, for all of these premium and well-designed premium online premium templates, which are amazing. They offer different layouts for different businesses, and this is the cost of having the premium add-on of Kadence. I highly recommend that you choose the full bundle because it will give you full access to all of the plugins that comes with Kadence, including Kadence Blocks Pro, Kadence Theme Pro, Pro Design Patterns, Starter Templates, Button Hub, Kadence Conversions to create pop-ups for your website. But still, if you just need to have access to the premium starter templates, you can actually use you can actually buy the essentials bundle, which is almost like, at the time of this recording, it is almost like 150. I will leave down below my affiliate link if you like to buy this starter template, this essential plugin, this essential bundle of Kadence. Because I have already bought it, I will just need to install Kadence Pro Premium add-on and Kadence Blocks Pro plugin to be able to access any of these starter templates. And so I just go to plugins and click add new. I will click upload plugin. I will choose to upload the plugin, because once you have access to your premium account at Kadence WP, you will have access to the download links for your Kadence Blocks Pro and also Kadence Theme Pro or Premium add-on. So let's click choose. Let me install Kadence Blocks Pro, and let's click install now. And then I will activate the plugin, and let me upload the Kadence Pro as well plugin here. Let's click here, upload plugin, choose the file, Kadence Pro, and let's click install now, and let's click to activate the plugin as well. And now we have both of these plugins added. I need to activate them. To activate them, I need to add my license key. So let me quickly click here to add my license key. Let me skip this. I will add my license key here. My license key has been added to my Kadence blocks. Let me add it as well to Kadence Pro. Now my Kadence Pro license has been activated as well. Now I have access to all of the free and premium templates as well. So let's go to Kadence and choose starter templates, and let's choose one of these starter templates. Let me show you how you can install it. So let's filter by Pro only and see which one we will install. So let me install this. Also, all of these are premium ones. Let me choose one of these. I think the cooking one is a great one, or even the life coach. Let's choose the life coach. So let's click here to install the life coach starter template. So this is how our starter template will look like. Of course, you will be able to change everything here, but this is how our website will look like. These are the pages. We have the course page, the blog page, everything. Okay, even we can change the colors if you want to. These are all the color palettes that we can choose from. We can just choose this one to have this color palette. If you can choose this one, you'll find that the colors are changing. Even we can make this like dark. If you like to make this a dark website, we can change even the fonts here. We can change the font from here. We can change it from here. We'll find the font changes once you choose it. But usually I just clear the selection to go back to the default colors, and also clear the selections here to go back to the default colors and fonts created by Kadence. Of course, still you can make changes to these colors at some point in the future, but I will just leave it as default now. Let's click next, and here we can choose if we want to install the full website, or even we can just import certain pages of the website. I will choose to import the full website. If you have installed any previous widgets, you can deinstall them from here, or you can just choose to import customize our settings. I will choose this and then click next, and here you'll find these are the plugins that needs to be installed if you want to use the complete starter templates. So we need to have Kadence Blocks, Kadence Blocks Pro, and Kadence Pro installed, and we have these installed and activated. Still, we need to have LearnDash. This is the e-commerce. This is the online course building plugin, but I'll just leave it now. I will install it, I think, in part 3, where we will add, or 4 even, where we will add our online course. Then we have all the plugins installed and activated. Even if these plugins are not activated or installed, the theme, or during the process of installing the starter templates, they will be installed and activated automatically. So let's choose to finish and launch and see the success message of launching our website. So let's click finish and launch, start import, and give it a few moments to be installed. And here we go. This is our success message that is telling us we can see and view our website. So let's click see the website. Let's open this in a new link here and see how our website will look like. So this is how our website looks like. Just give it like a seconds to load the images. And of course we can change everything here. We can change the content, we can change the images, we can change of course the links to our whatever page we want. And even if we go to the back end of the website itself and we go to pages, let's go to pages, you'll find all of these pages. So these are our website pages just created for us. We have the about us page, the blog page, the coaching, the contacts, the frequently asked questions, home, and privacy policy as a draft page. And even if we go to posts and view all posts, you'll find a few posts here written for ourselves. And this one is, I need to make this trash because it is installed by default. So this is our website here, and we can make any changes, whatever changes that we need to make for this website. For example, if you notice the header of the page itself, the website, you'll find here 2 pages. One of them is called blog and one of them is called help and frequently asked questions. I just need to have like a blog item here, and so I need to make changes to the menu of my header. To do this, what you need to do is to go to the dashboard itself, or let's go to menus actually, and make changes to our primary menu of the website. So let me view it here in a second or two. We need to choose which menu that we need to make edits to. I'll choose to have the menu or the primary menu here. Change it. As you can see, this is a page that is supposed to include our website, our course. I will just remove it here because we haven't installed LearnDash actually. And then we can choose to remove this page as well. I will leave the home, the coaching, about me, blog, and maybe frequently asked questions and help. You know what, let's just, remove even the help page, and let's click save menu. And now once this is saved, if we view our website, let me view the website, you'll find we don't have the frequently asked questions page and also the help page. So we have the home page, coaching, about me, and blog, and contacts. Now, maybe you're asking yourself, maybe you need to make some changes to the content of the website or of the pages. Maybe you need to change, like remove this image, add your own images, change your let's say that your phone number. You can actually do all of this inside each page. So let's say that I want to make changes to this image, for example. Okay, what you need to do is to click edit page. Let's open this in a new tab. And now you will have access to the complete design of the page, and we can make whatever changes that we want to make inside each of these pages. So this is the back end of our page. If you want to know the structure of the page, because usually you'll find every page is designed or divided or organized into different parts. To know the structure of every page, what you need to do is to click in this document overview part, and you'll find that this page, for example, is divided into rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows. So these are the main sections of the page itself. If you want to know the content of each row, you just need to click this arrow here. You'll find that this row has two sections, this section and this section as well. To know the content of every section, you just need to click this here. You'll find the content of this specific section, for example. If you want to make any changes to any part of this, what you need to do is to click here. So for example, if you want to make changes to this text, make sure that you double click here. Let's say that, let's say I am the best, coaching, for example, coaching sessions and membership for, let's say, your audience, for example, audience. Okay, if you want to delete any part, you just click here, you just delete every part that you want to make. This is something like how you write in something like Microsoft Word or whatever word processing you have. If you want to make changes to the links of the buttons, you just need to click the button. You'll find here at the right side of the screen, you'll find all the options relevant to this button here. For example, if you want to make changes to the background, you'll find this under the style. Here you can change, the button style. You can change the color here. Let's say that if I change it like this is the text color. If you want to make it like this, if you want to change the background, you can just make it here. Let me change it from here. This is now the background of our colors. If you want to back like this, let's make this white again. This is how you can control this. If you want to make any changes to the image, for example, but the main problem here is to know which element you want to change, because sometimes it is confusing to know which part that you need to change. So most of the time you need to have this document overview open to be able to access the part that you need to change. For example, let's say that I want to change, let's go down here. I want to change this image. If you want to change it, you just click here and you'll find this is the document overview has been opened. So this is an image here inside this section. If you click here, you'll find in the right part of the screen, you'll find your image options, the general tab, the style tab, and the advanced tab. If you want to change it, you can just click here, change, or click to edit the image, or even click to remove it from here, and then click here, and you can choose any image from your media library if you have one, or you can just upload it. So let's say that I want to add, this image, for example. I will choose it here, I click select. Now my image should be changed. Now this is my image. As you can see, now my image has been changed. If you want to make changes to any of the text, this is much easier. Just click on it, just write down. If you want to make this like your phone number, you can just do it like this. So this is how you can make changes to the individual parts of your website. Down below, I will leave also a link for a full tutorial about how you can use Kadence blocks. It will empower you with everything that you need to know about how you can make changes to your website. Of course, you need to click update to update each page. Now make sure also that you make changes to the mobile view and the tablet view of your website. And to see how does your web pages looks like, you just need to click here and view it in a tablet. This is how your website will look like in a tablet. Maybe you need to make changes to this. Maybe if it was me, I would just change the colors maybe of this. I'll make this white, for example. I will just make this white to stand out. So this is how our title will look like in a tablet view. This is our tablet view. If we go to the mobile view, this is how our website will look like in a mobile view. If you notice, the image now has been changed. I think it had disappeared or something like this. Anyway, this is how you can make like mobile specific changes to your website. Let's go back to our desktop. Let's click update, and let's view the page and see how does our website will look like. This is now how our website looks like. That the image has changed, and also the color of the text has changed as well. The last part that I want you to know about how you can make changes to the website is the customizer settings. Now we have been talking about the designs themselves, the colors, the fonts, the size, the background images, but still maybe you need to make some changes to the header and footer of your website. Maybe you need to make some global changes to your colors and fonts, and you can do this inside a part called customizer. So let's go to we can access it by going to the customize tab here, and here we'll have access to a part called, or a panel called customizer, as I mentioned, and this is where you can control the global fonts, colors of your website. Also you can control the look and feel of your header and footer, and also how does your buttons, the global styling of your buttons across all of your websites, so you don't have to make changes to the colors and fonts of your buttons. If you want to, you'll find that this is how the customizer panel of Kadence is organized. We have the colors and fonts, header, footer, general and posts and pages layout. So let's go to the header and footer, and this is how our header and footer will look like. If, for example, if you want to change the background of the header itself, you just need to choose the main row. This is how the headers of Kadence are organized in 3 parts or 3 rows: top row, main row, and bottom row. If you want to add a color change to the background of the row, let's choose it here, and we can just go to the design. We can change from here. Let's say I need this to be like in this color. Okay, so now my background color of the header has been changed. If you want to add any parts to any part of this, if you want to change the location of this, you can just drag and drop it here. Let's say that I want to have my social colors, for example, my social icons at the left part. I'll just move it from here to here. You'll find it changed. Now I have my social icons here. If I want to remove the search part, I will just click here to remove it. Now it has been removed. If I want to make sure that the social icons are in the right part, again I'll just remove it from here. Again, I will leave down below a link for a full tutorial about how you can manage the header and footer of your website. So let's go back to the main customizer. This is the same way it happens if you are using the footer. And now this is the footer. For the colors and fonts, this is where you can control the color palette of your website. So let's go here, colors for example. Now we have this color for all of our call to actions. If you want to make this, you don't have to make it like individually for each page. You can actually make it from here. So let's go here. If you want to make this change, let's say that I want to make this, for example, green. I just choose it from green here. You'll find everything where this purple color was changed has been changed into green as well. But I like to make it like the original. I'll just make it like this now. It has gone back to its original colors. If you want to change the color palette, you can just switch it from here. This is another palette, and this is a third palette, but I like the first one. If you want to make changes to the background colors of your website, I mean, there is a ton of options you can make it inside the customizer. I think I can stop here from showing you how you can make changes to the website itself, because this is wraps up part 1 of our free training, which was about installing a starter template using Kadence theme, Kadence blocks, making the changes inside each of these pages, and also the changes inside the customizer. I know that I have done injustice to the make changes to the style of the pages, but you'll find my full tutorial about how you can use Kadence blocks to make full changes for your website pages down below. So make sure to check this out if you need to know more about how you can change the designs of your website. In the second part, which is the next video, I will be showing you how you can install a membership plugin, which is Wishlist Member. Why I like it, then I will show you how you can create 2 different membership levels, how you can we'll be going to review the main settings of the membership levels, and how we can protect different parts of our website using Wishlist Member. So with this, we end this part of the website. Make sure also to check out below for the checklist about how you can create a membership website using WordPress. Now, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next part of this free training.